Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 10 amazing things your Apple Watch can do right now. Let's get started. First up is fall detection. This feature is designed to be your safety net, right on your wrist. Your Apple Watch can tell if you've taken a hard fall. It uses advanced sensors to detect the impact and can differentiate between a trip and a serious fall. If you don't respond within a minute, it will automatically call emergency services, sending them your location. This can be a lifesaver in critical situations. That's peace of mind, especially for older folks or anyone living alone. It ensures that help is always just a call away, even if you can't make the call yourself. It's like a little guardian angel on your wrist, always watching over you and ready to assist when you need it the most. Next up, health tracking with an electrocardiogram or ECG right from your wrist. Imagine having the power to monitor your heart's health anytime, anywhere. This feature is a game changer for those who want to keep a close eye on their cardiovascular health without frequent trips to the doctor. You can get insights into your heart rhythm and check for irregularities. The Apple Watch can alert you to potential issues like atrial fibrillation, which is a serious heart condition that often goes undiagnosed. It's not a replacement for a doctor's visit, but it's still super cool to track this stuff easily. Imagine being able to share this data with your healthcare provider, giving them a more comprehensive view of your heart health over time. Early detection is key, and this little device gives you more information about your health than ever before. By catching potential issues early, you can take proactive steps to maintain your well-being. The convenience and accessibility of having an ECG on your wrist cannot be overstated. The Apple Watch can monitor ambient noise levels and alert you if they're getting too loud. It's a reminder to take care of your hearing because once it's gone, it's gone. Remember those old-school walkie-talkies? The Apple Watch brings back that vibe with its built-in walkie-talkie feature. Instantly connect with other Apple Watch users for quick messages. It's more immediate and fun than using a phone. It brings back that childhood nostalgia. The Apple Watch is great for tracking your activity. It helps you monitor your daily movements, workouts, and even your heart rate. But it gets even better when you share your activity rings with friends and family. Sharing your progress can create a sense of community and accountability. A little friendly competition is a great way to stay motivated and push each other. You can challenge each other to meet daily goals, celebrate victories, and encourage each other during tough days. Sometimes you just need that extra push to get moving. Whether it's a gentle nudge from a friend or a competitive race, sharing your activity can make all the difference in staying active and healthy. Siri integration on your wrist makes things so much more convenient. Set reminders, send messages, make calls, all without taking your phone out. Just raise your wrist, talk to Siri, and you're good to go. It's those little conveniences that really add up. Let's talk about Apple Pay. Using Apple Pay directly from your wrist is incredibly convenient. No need to fumble around for your wallet or phone, just double tap that side button and you're good to go. The Apple Watch can track your sleep patterns and give you insights into how well you're sleeping. See how much time you're spending in different sleep stages and set sleep goals. The Apple Watch breaks it all down for you. The Apple Watch has a built-in hand-washing timer that starts when it detects you're washing your hands. It ensures you're washing for the recommended 20 seconds. This takes all the guesswork out of it. The Apple Watch has tons of different watch faces and complications to personalize your watch. Choose from different styles, colors, and layouts, and add complications to display things like the weather or your calendar events. You can tweak it, customize it, and make it your own. And there you have it, 10 amazing things your Apple Watch can do right now. Hopefully you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. See you in the next one.